Good luck trading today, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, February the 1st. My name is Anne-Marie Band, and this is the Moneyball Morning Report for the Benzinga Pro platform. What we're taking a look at here, folks, is a messy market. If we take a look at the weekly formations, what we can see from this weekly space is really we're just tracing through the prior week. We almost gave up all of it, and then right around that 4,000 level, we began to bounce, and a lot of people are looking at that zone. Notice that 4,000 level, although it dips underneath the 40-20 area and chokes around that 4,007 or so, it turned right around and started bringing buyers to the fray. Okay, and what that tells us is there's still a lot of buyers right below us. The current narrative is soft landing, and that soft landing is perpetuating through motion. A number of companies have come out and said, you know what? I think it's going to be okay. We've tightened our belt, and I don't think we have a massive recession. And so Caterpillar, for one, came out and said, hey, I think it looks okay. And so their guidance was not fantastic, but again, not dramatic. The UPS or FedEx, can't remember which one, came out and said, hey, we noticed a drop down in Amazon packages. And so that's also very interesting. Maybe it tells us something about the Amazon earnings on the horizon and how they are going to guide. But in any case, over the last 16 hours, these are 4-hour candlesticks here, we really have been stuck in this range. What do we notice? Buyers coming in at around 70 to 72, sellers coming in around 84 to 86. So what does that mean? Right here, it's a coin toss. It could go down from here, it could go up from here. What do you want to see? Well, you want to see it either break this area, bounce up and not recover 40.77, or break this area and pull back and hold that 40.79 zone. And that really is what we need to do, unless we're playing very, very tight formations. What do I suspect? I think we're sideways. I do. I think we're sideways, and to me, that means, okay, we fade and then we bounce. But today's Fed, and anything goes. So I want you to be careful. Let's go to SPY. I've changed a couple of images very quickly, wanting to look at the levels there. We see 402.31 still in play. It might be the opening region of of the week, which is 402.77, still around that zone. And then this region here at the 400.20-ish is the next line in the sand. So far, what we've done is show that old resistance is new support, and we're making higher highs in the current framework. So this tells me our pullbacks into this region should be buying zones. But what we have to be very careful of is what the market is doing on these releases of different kinds of information during the day. All right, and so for the Qs, same sort of thing. These guys are rebounding very sharply. Notice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks positive, but they haven't been clean weeks. Massive retracements here, gapping down, and then trying to hold up. So in the end, fairly sloshy, if you ask me. And so still, pullbacks should be buy zones. Listen, be careful, stay frosty. You have the levels, write them down, and I'll see you tomorrow.